Welcome to Recipes for You. In today's video, we're sharing a simple yet powerful homemade hair growth recipe using all natural ingredients. Say goodbye to expensive salon treatments and hello to healthier, stronger, and faster growing hair. Stay tuned for step-by-step instructions and some amazing tips that will transform your hair care routine. For this, you will need potatoes of approximately this size. First, you will carefully peel these potatoes. So, after peeling all the potatoes, don't throw away the peels. Put them aside. I will show you what we will do with these peels. This hair mask is great for strengthening and promoting hair growth. Potatoes are full of nutrients such as vitamins B and C, as well as iron, which nourish hair follicles and help stimulate hair growth. The starch in potatoes helps thicken and strengthen hair strands, making your hair thicker and stronger. Now, let's move on to preparing a hair mask that promotes hair growth. Put the potato peels in a saucepan and pour water over them. Now I will grate the potatoes with a fine grater, and I will also tell you more about the beneficial properties of potatoes for your hair. In addition to vitamins and minerals, potatoes contain antioxidants that protect the scalp and hair from damage caused by free radicals and external factors such as pollution and ultraviolet rays. This helps maintain a healthy hair structure and prevents premature aging of the hair. Potato juice also has cleansing properties, helping to remove excess oils and impurities from the scalp, allowing hair follicles to breathe better and promoting faster hair growth. This is especially beneficial for those with an oily scalp, as potatoes help regulate sebum production, making hair less greasy. It is also worth noting that potatoes moisturize the scalp, preventing dryness and itching, which can lead to dandruff. Regular use of a potato mask helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes more active hair growth. Now that you have grated the potatoes, we need to extract all the juice using a small piece of cheesecloth for the next step of the procedure. These two ingredients, the potato puree and the extracted juice, will be used in the next step. The potato puree will help nourish and strengthen the hair, while the juice provides deep hydration to the scalp. Together, they work perfectly to promote healthy hair growth and improve hair texture. It's amazing how simple natural ingredients like potatoes can provide such powerful benefits for our hair, isn't it? Have you tried any other natural remedies for your hair before? Now I have squeezed almost all the juice from the grated potatoes, and now I will add 1 egg yolk and a teaspoon of natural honey. This mask does wonders for your hair. Egg yolks are packed with proteins, fatty acids, and vitamins like A and E that deeply moisturize and condition your hair, making it soft, shiny, and easier to style. It also strengthens your hair. Both potatoes and egg yolks contain proteins that help in repairing and strengthening weak or damaged hair, preventing breakage and damage. Using this mask regularly will make your hair stronger and healthier. Now I will boil the potato peels. The potato broth will also be used to strengthen the hair. Let it cool to room temperature and then strain it through a sieve. We won't need the peels anymore, so you can throw them away. Pour the broth into a spray bottle for easy use. Now, let's talk about why potato peel broth is a real treasure for your hair. This broth nourishes the scalp and improves blood circulation, which promotes faster hair growth. It also helps to get rid of dullness and gives your hair a healthy shine. You can even use it daily, just spray it on your roots and enjoy the benefits. So, this simple and accessible broth can replace many expensive products. Now let's move on to the grated potatoes. Transfer it to a bowl, add the egg whites and a little natural honey. Mix everything with a hand blender until smooth. This mixture can be applied to your hair, covered with a shower cap or plastic wrap for 20 to 30. After that, wash your hair as usual. The result? Your hair becomes softer, healthier, and stronger. The mask is ready. Look how soft and flexible it is, perfect for applying to your hair. Now you can apply it with confidence along the entire length of your hair. Within a few days, you will notice how softer and shinier your hair has become. This treatment nourishes and strengthens your hair from within, making it healthier and stronger. The 3 masks, potato puree with egg whites, and simple potato peel broth, improves the structure, strength, and appearance of your hair. And the best part? They are made from all natural ingredients with no chemicals. Just nature. Try each one, and soon your hair will shine with health and beauty.